Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The future of the Audi TT is at risk, and the German company does not want to replace the current model when it reaches the end of its life in 2023. The TT is in the spotlight, however, with the iconic ultra-exclusive RS edition. The coupe is now available from £87,650. For that negligible price, the iconic edition gets a number of exterior changes to help differentiate it from the regular RS model, not to mention some unique interior touches, although the engine remains unchanged. Convertible to a standard car. At the front of the notorious release we can see another sparkle dark grille and matte Quattro identification, while its 20-inch dark composite edges are equivalent to you'd track down on the TT RS Audi game version. The greatest plan change comes as the Airstream created AeroKit, which adds winglets on the front guard, a front splitter and new edges before the air admissions. A huge fixed carbon fiber back wing shows up on the bootlet, which Audi says upholds both execution and productivity. The notorious release must be had in Nardo Dark. Inside, the RS sports seats are managed in Napa cowhide and Alcantara with notorious version weaved into the headrests. There are glimmers of variety inside with yellow sewing to the floor mats, mid-control area and guiding wheel. A numbered identification is put on the stuff switch signifying the vehicle's situation in the 100-unit creation run. The 2.5-liter, turbocharged 5-chamber motor is kept from the standard TT RS, so there's 395 bhp and 480 Nm of force accessible. The maximum velocity is really 1 mile per hour more slow at 174 miles per hour, because of the AeroKit, yet the 0 to 62 miles per hour time continues as before at 3.7 seconds. Restricted to 100 units worldwide, with 11 coming to the UK, Audi says clients ought to anticipate that the RS Roadster notorious version should be conveyed from mid-2023.